Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today, we're making my turkey sliders. Now this is a real crowd pleaser and an amazing meal prep choice. So, let's get started.
Alright, so for the ingredients, you're going to need 6 potato dinner rolls, and you're going to split those top and bottom. You're going to need 6 tablespoons of stone ground mustard, 6 slices of jalapeno pepper jack cheese, 18 slices of oven roasted turkey. You're going to need half a red onion. You're going to thinly slice that. You're going to need 3 avocados, thinly sliced. 3 Roma tomatoes, sliced. And then finally, about 6 handfuls of leafy lettuce. Alright, so to get things started, you want to prepare all the ingredients. For the red onion, you want to cut one in half and then thinly slice it along the width of the onion and then set that aside, making sure to remove all the outer layers of the onion. Moving on to the avocado, you want to remove the peel and the pit from each avocado, and then once you have the meat of the avocado out, you want to thinly slice that lengthwise. And a key to telling you have a ripe avocado is that if avocado yields to firm, gentle pressure, you know it's going to be pretty ripe and ready to eat. And ripe avocados normally have a darker color, but the color can also vary, so it's always best to go by the feel of it rather than the color. So the avocado should feel soft to the touch, not mushy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel, and make sure you stay till the end of this video for a sneak peek of the recipe coming next week. Next up are your Roma tomatoes. You just want to chop off the ends of the tomato and then thinly slice it along the width. You can discard the ends of each tomato and then set aside the rest of the sliced tomato. Alright, so for assembling the sandwich, what you're going to first want to do is spread about 1 tablespoon of stone ground mustard on the inner sides of the dinner rolls. And now you want to place 1 slice of pepper jack cheese onto one side of the dinner roll. You want to follow that up with 3 slices of turkey, a handful of red onions, a couple slices of Roma tomatoes, and then a couple of slices of avocado. Finally, take a handful of lettuce and close the sandwich with the other end of the roll. And if you're having issues with the sandwich staying together, you can always fix it by using a toothpick. Once you've got one done, it makes it really easy for all the rest. Just remember the order that I mentioned. So you always want to start with spreading the mustard and then add the pepper jack cheese, the turkey, the onions, the tomatoes, the avocado, and then finally the lettuce. And here's a tip or a variation for this recipe. If you're not a fan of turkey, you can always try using roast beef, ham, or a combination of all 3 for making the sliders instead. And just like that, you've made your very own Vic's turkey sliders. This recipe is another crowd pleaser, and these sliders are not disappointing. You want to give these a try in a group setting, or you can use them as an amazing meal prep choice. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine, Volume 1, Finding Your Inner Chef, and it's available on Amazon, and I'll make sure to leave the link to that in the description box. And stay tuned for next week where I share to make my favorite salmon recipe. You won't want to miss it. And don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.